So this is how you can convert docs into a PDF on your Android phone. Let's get started. So there are naturally more ways in how you can do it. For example, if you would like to, you can download a PDF editor, something like Adobe Acrobat from the Google Play Store. And once you have this kind of app downloaded, what you can do is to then proceed to find your docs file inside of your files folder. So you can find it in there. And when you tap on it and when you get this pop-up asking you which app you want to go with and which app you want to open it up with, you can then pick the Adobe Acrobat, which, as you can see in the little letters below, actually tells you that it will convert it to a PDF. So as you can see right there, this is a pretty good and convenient method to achieve this, right? So it will basically just create a PDF file out of that. So that's pretty cool, right? So you can do it directly, no conversion like needed to be like performed manually. So this works fine. On the other hand, another approach is to use a website or online conversion site where essentially in your browser you can type in the docs to PDF, and there are going to be like a bunch of websites which allow you to upload your existing documents like docs files to that website and then perform conversion to PDF, which you can then download to your phone back again. So this is a little bit more of a manual approach. It might work well, honestly. It depends on how many files you need to work with. Some of them, if you don't have too many, then using a website like this might actually be a good idea. So let me know below in the comments which option you decided to go with. Hit the thumbs up if you liked the video, subscribe for more, and I'm gonna catch you in the next one.